In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download any HP printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser or any of the browser that is being available to you that's good. And navigate to the search bar and type for HP printer space driver. Once you've typed it, hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. Now you can see a list of results which is under official HP support at hp.com. Click on it and wait until you would be navigated to the page where you can search your printer driver or the model of your printer driver of HP. Okay. Now here you need to use the search toolbar here and type for the model of the printer driver that you would like to install here in your PC. So let's say for example, in my case, I would like to install HP LaserJet P1006. Okay, driver. Hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. Okay, again, just search for the model number or the model of your HP printer driver that you would like to install with. Okay, so under that, you can see the driver product installation software. Scroll down. Okay, and there you can see basic drivers. Click on this download, and in a few moments, it will now start on the downloading process. So click on this download arrow key I mean download icon, and it would show you here the downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so once you are here, please make a right click, okay, and go with this cat icon. Once done, close the window, and here at the desktop, make a right click again and go with paste. Once you have moved the file or the application, you need to double tap to extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So we just have to wait until it would be available for us, and once available, go with extract to. So in a few moments, a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that would contain our printer driver. And if it's taking some time to appear, you can manually check it by navigating to the File Explorer, and here you need to proceed to the desktop, and then that way you would be able to see the extracted file. Once you have ensured that it is being extracted, navigate directly to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring it up. So here at the settings window, navigate directly to the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with the printers and scanners. Click on it. And under here, you can get an option where you can add device. Click on it. And please wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. Click on next. Once done, click on Have Disk and click on the Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, we need to navigate there. Click on it, scroll down, double tap here, then select for the drivers, click on Open, and click on OK. And since I want to install the HP LaserJet P1006, then I'm gonna select it, go with Next, and click on Next, and it will now start in the installation. All you need to do is you need to wait until the installation of your HP printer driver would be done. Okay, so once done, click on Next, go with Finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed a HP printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.